Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately. The brand of our watch can be Apple Watch, Haylou, Band, Honor, Huawei, amazfit or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all. In this video, we will talk about a problem that many watch users face or may encounter. Our devices may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple.
We tried to charge it from the computer's USB port, then we tried it with a 1000 mAh adapter and it still didn't work. It worked when we tried it with quick charge. I took this video as the second step for our viewers who could not get results from this method. Our friends who did not get results again, write in the comments, I can help.
There is already a small adapter in the USB part of the charging cable of our device. This part protects our clock from high amperage and voltage values. But it's time to do the experiment that we have had results before.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done.
We connect our cable and try again. Let's see how the result will be. We will try with different 5-volt outputs, but our amperage value will vary.
Let's try our contact cleaner spray on this metal material and see how it will clean the oxide by foaming it. We see how it foams. With the help of earbuds, we can also clean the oxide in our device. If the gold rate is low in the conductive parts of the devices, oxidation may occur. After applying it, we provide full contact by moving it a little. We repaired the mouse with the disinfectant and contact cleaner that I had published before. It was very successful in the repair map.
By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
As of now I am trying to turn on the device. First of all, we made the electrical connection. We connected with the adapter and when we press the power button of the device, it still does not turn on. Of course we will not give up. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done.
Biraz daha.
Unfortunately, this attempt failed, but we will not give up.
We clean the charging pins of our device with WD-40 or 404 brand contact cleaner or disinfectant. Those who cannot supply them can also apply this process with vinegar, provided that they are wiped quickly.
We can simply clear the fault by cleaning this area well.
Yes friends, the good news is, as you can see, the process we applied was successful and our device turned on.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for support purposes. And the result is successful. This is very good news.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.